Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here today with another product share. I just received a design team package from Country Craft Creations, and this time I received the Cartabella Farmhouse Christmas Mega Bundle. So this is currently available at Country Craft Creations. It's brand new. You want to check it out if you like farmhouse and you like Christmas and you want to put it all together. I'm going to create a fun project. So in this video, I'm just going to show you what I got inside my package. So stay tuned. Okay, so if you love farmhouses and Christmas, you're going to want to head over to countrycraftcreations.com, and I will share the link in my description below to this package. It all comes together as a mega bundle. It's called the Farmhouse Christmas Mega Bundle by Cartabella, and it retails and is listed on countrycraftcreations.com right now for $47.99, and you get all of these to make a fabulous Christmas album. I think I'm going to be making an album with this one, and so it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to share with you what I got in this package, and this is what you will get if you order the Farmhouse Christmas Mega Bundle from Country Craft Creations. So you get all this wonderful ephemera and things to work with. So you get a package of puffy stickers. Look at these images. You get your tree with snow, flowers, I call that Santa's couch. Tractor that's got garland, the boots, the rain boots, Christmas tree farm sign. All of this is just fabulous. I know it's a little glare there, shiny because it's in plastic. I don't want to take it out right now. You're going to get a package of the enamel dots in the colors that are with this collection. You got your green, black, white, red, and cream. These are wonderful for adding dimension to your project. You're going to get a package of ephemera, die-cut cardstock pieces. Love these. You have little tags, you have little frames. Here's what it looks like on the back here. You got a lot of sayings. These are lots of fun to make tuck spots and different elements in your album. Also got a package of the frames and tags, which is die-cut ephemera cardstock pieces. And so you've got more sayings and frames and tags. I just love all these to add onto booklets and folders and tags inside of a project. Chipboard phrases. So these are great for giving a little lift to your page. You can make flip or turn closures with some of these and a brad. So this is a lot of fun. We've got Merry on little flags, and we've got Merry Christmas with the barn. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. So lots of fun. Ice skates, stocking. Yeah, that's really cute. And another chipboard accents. Some more signs. The tractor, larger size. The couch, your stocking, comfort and joy. Those rain boots. You can see a lot of fun pages with this. So you've got two packages of paper here. You've got your pattern paper, which contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Okay, so I'm going to open this up in just a second and show you that. And you also get a pack of the coordinating solids paper pack. So this kit contains 6 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers. So you've got these wonderful colors. You've got the cranberry, the olive green, kind of a cream white color, a brighter red, another green, and a black. So these are all great. I'll show you those too. So let's open this one up first and look at the prints of this beautiful pattern designer paper, Farmhouse Christmas by Cartabella, and the sticker sheets. Let's take this out. Let me start over here. This is your cover sheet. It shows you everything that you've got in the collection. So the first one up here is, and like I said, you get, I think you said one of each, or is it two of each that we get? Let's see. What did I say on the package? We get 12 double-sided. So I think you get one of each. So we're going to look through these real quick. So this one is this beautiful poinsettia floral with this red stripe on the back. You get your cut aparts here, which is your 3x4 journaling cards. Those are great. And then on the back we get this nice black plaid. And we get this one called gift tags. So I like this white planking here on the back siding, and you get all these little gift tags. So this is really great if you want to just cut them all out and make them for tags, and then you can write on the back. Then we have ornaments with this wonderful wood design here on the back. All these pretty ornaments. I love this one. This one is called Snowflakes, of course. White snowflakes on this red color background with a nice green plaid on the back. This is going to be really hard to choose which sides to cut. This one is called Noel Wreaths. So you get all these pretty wreaths with the stars, and you flip it over and you've got this great black with the snowflakes. This would be your 4x6 journaling cards with this really nice buffalo plaid in red on the back. These are great. These make great cards, just those images themselves. And then of course this one is called Stockings, and your nice black plaid here. Some border sheet called border strips. Love these, the barn and the tractor, and your stockings here. This is really pretty. It's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who's gathered around it. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Got this really pretty wood tone back here with all the poinsettias in the back. And then this one is called Tree Farm. All the different Christmas trees that you could buy in their little buckets. And the buckets has like this one says Joy, and then North Pole. And then this beautiful red plaid on the back. And then we have Christmas signs. Those are fun. And this nice green dot here. And then crates. So these are all little crates with different little advertising on them. Candy cane, special delivery, toy company, Merry Christmas, fresh cut Christmas trees, and then on the back, holly. So that's a really fun collection. I'll try to come up with some kind of small album that we can make where we can utilize both sides of the paper if we can. And then of course you get this sticker sheet. Lots of great images here. The poinsettia flower, the trees from the farm, tree farm, tree with snow, Santa's couch, all these different little elements. This is a lot of fun. I love the Merry Christmas banner and of course the tractor. So this is going to be a lot of fun. And now let me show you these solid colors. Let me open that real quick and just show you the different reds and greens in here. Of course it all coordinates with the pattern paper. Cover advertising sheet right here. Okay, so we have this, and you do get two of each sheet. So this green here with the black on the back. And then this red and the white. So what you get is two sheets, front and back. So 6 sheets of 12 by 12 in the coordinating colors, coordinating solid colors. Okay, so that's the collection that I'll be working with, creating something. Probably be a few weeks before I get started on something. I have a few other projects I need to wrap up and finish the videos for. And so I wanted to share this with you right now so that you could go, if you like this collection and think you might want to make a Christmas project with it, check it out right now on countrycraftcreations.com. Again, it is Carta Bella's Farmhouse Christmas Mega Bundle, and it retails listed for $47.99. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please follow me here on YouTube by subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell so that you'll be notified of my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.